Get up. Get up. Lever. Take a shower. Take a shower. Baigner. Brush my teeth. Brush my teeth. Brosser dents mwen. Shave. Shave. Raser.
Donc pour mot ça garçon plus utiliser. Ou capable utiliser soit un rasoir ou du moins un gilet pour capable raser babou ou pas foutin, OK? Mot ça plus pour garçon, OK?
Get dressed. Get dressed. Habillé. Wash my face. Wash my face. Lave figim. Put on makeup. Put on makeup. Mette maquillage. Brush my hair. Brush my hair. Brosser cheveux. Comb my hair. Comb my hair. Peint cheveux. Make the bed. Make the bed. Ranger cabane. Get undressed. Get undressed. Déshabiller. Take a bath. Take a bath. Al baigner. Go to bed. Go to bed. Aller nan cabane. Sleep. Sleep. Dormi. Make breakfast. Make breakfast. Fais manger matin. Make lunch. Make lunch. Fais manger midi.
Cook. Make dinner. Cook. Make dinner. Cuite. Fais dîner.
Eat. Have breakfast. Eat. Have breakfast. Manger. Déjeuner. Eat. Have lunch. Eat. Have lunch. Manger. Manger midi.
Eat, have dinner. Eat, have dinner. Manger. Manger dîner.